you haven't already watched the video on inserting images into docs, you might want to do so because I'm going to skip a couple steps as I show you how to insert an image into a spreadsheet. So here I have a spreadsheet that I want to put an image into. And if I go up to Insert, you can see that Insert Image is one of my options. Just like in Docs, I can upload photos that I have saved on my computer, and I can search my drive if I want to look at the drive, or search Google. And I can insert those images directly into my document. So in this case, I am going to do URL, and to find my URL, I'm going to go back. I searched for cats earlier. I'm going to do linear equations. Right now I have it selected as labeled for reuse, so I'm going to find an example that I want to use. Just use the first one, and I'm going to right click on it and do copy image address. So now I can paste that image address. It's going to search for it. Yes, that's the one I want. And it inserts the image into my sheet. However, what it does is it inserts it as an overlay in your sheet, and you can put it over anything. It sort of lives on top of the sheet. If you want to insert images into cells, you can do that as well with the image function. So I'm going to go into a cell I want to insert this image into. I'm going to type equals image. When you're using the image function, you're going to need to do a couple things. First off, you need a URL to do it. And then you're going to need to think about the mode or the size you want for the image, as well as if you want to make it a certain length and width, or height and width, I guess. So I'm going to paste in my URL, and I need to put this into quotes. Select mode as 4, and this time I'm not going to make the height or width a certain size. Oops. I guess it wants me to make the height and width a certain size. Something cool about the formulas is they tell you if you did something wrong. So I want the height to be 50 and the width to also be 50. Ah, there's my image. So you can see that it doesn't fit very well into this particular cell, so I'll probably want to think about resizing that cell. And I'll show you that if you resize the cell, you can see the picture a little bit differently. In some other videos, I'll probably show you some ways that you can get around this, but if you just want an image in your sheet, the best way to do it is just to do it as an overlay. So that is how to insert an image into your Google Sheet.